Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Vivian and I am back with another video. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, hello. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos on all platforms. Don't forget to click that notification bell on the side. That'll keep you alerted anytime I upload a new video. And as always, you can always catch my videos on Fridays and Saturdays. That's my new schedule. That's when I upload videos, only on Fridays and Saturdays. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to get into this video. This video is going to be about two items that I purchased a couple of weeks ago. It's the Too Faced Peach Lip Scrub and the Lip Balm. So this is the lip scrub and this is the lip balm. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick tutorial. I'm pretty sure most of us all know how to do, apply a lip scrub, but for those who don't, I'm here to show you. So this is by Too Faced. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna test this product out. Okay, so this is it. And it's peachy. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit here and apply and just scrub. I think I put too much. And like I was telling y'all in my previous videos, my lips definitely needed a major scrub. So all you want to do is you just want to scrub away dead skin. All right. So got that done. It doesn't say how long to keep it on there, but I mean, this is it. I'm gonna keep it on too. I'm with my mouth. So I'm just gonna take a damp, lukewarm towel and just wipe it off. So it's a really good product. It's not bad. I mean, I think it was on sale when I bought it. I think it was on sale, but I mean, you can pretty much get any brand of lip scrub on there, but this is really good. It really moisturizes your lip. So not bad. Not bad. And all the dead skin is gone. Gone. Oh, child. I desperately needed to scrub those lips. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is now apply the peach lip balm. Moisturizer. This applies really well. Really moisturizes your lips. And that's it. And there you have it. That's all. That's the Too Faced Peach Lip Scrub. And this is the lip balm. So, oh Lord, I have all this upside down. So I do the lip scrub first, then I apply the lip balm last. Right? And as you can see, it really moisturizes your lips. Alright, so tell me what y'all think. Please thumbs up this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos on all platforms. Questions, comments, concerns, leave it down below. But yeah, I bought it on TooFaced.com on their website. I'm pretty sure they may sell it like at Sephora or Ulta, I'm not sure, but I just bought it directly from their website here. And I mean, it's really good. I mean, it took all the dead skin away. So, which pretty much, I mean, you can make your own lip scrub, you know, if you had to. I mean, some people, they make their own. It is just as good. But I just happened to try those, and it works really well. So, that's all, y'all. I just wanted to come just do this quick show and tell tutorial of the Too Faced Peach Lip Scrub and Lip Balm that I purchased a couple of weeks ago. And if y'all have it, you know, tell me what y'all think. Leave it down below. But I just wanted to come do this quick tutorial for you guys. For those of you who don't know how to apply lip scrub, trust me, they do have some people that don't know. So I'm just here to just do a quick tutorial. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I will be back soon with another video. Bye, y'all.